When the fish are biting and you need to know when, where, and how to catch them, well, you've come to the right place. North Carolina Saltwater Weekly, where we talk fishing. And now, from the beautiful beaches of southeastern North Carolina, please welcome your host and mine, Captain Cook.
Alright guys, out here, not first time in a new kayak, but first time fishing in a new kayak. I'm gonna fish around these docks a little bit, see if I can pick something up. Kind of slow this morning. Fishing a Slam Shady. These are real good lures. You guys hadn't tried them, and reasonably priced. I mean, you get 7 of them for $5. Little drop off right there. Might not catch nothing, but that's alright too. First time fishing in it. You can see I got outriggers on it. I want to try to do some stand up, not today. This water is 56, 57 degrees. Yeah. Look like we're at a dead high right now. I'm just going to stroll along here and hit these docks a little bit. Water is extremely clear. Yeah, maybe we'll get a hookup shortly. Well, we're still trying. I've been up and down, all around these docks. I need my bump. I need my tap. The tide is turning around right now, very slowly, but we're trying. But I am excited to get out here and do a little bit of fishing in this kayak. This is a lot of grass over here. This is a Lost Creek angler. It's a rebranded Riot Mako is what it is. But I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. That's the main thing. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, I can't even, I don't even see a lizard fish. We'll keep trying. I get skunked. Oh well, I get skunked on. But I'm having a good time. It's a beautiful day. Started out foggy, fog lifted. Fog's coming back. So we'll keep going, but either way, I'm enjoying myself. Thank you guys for joining me for this little fishing expedition. We are down in Topsail Beach, North Carolina. You know, guys, I love this place. I love the surf fish down here. And so we're just gonna plug along a little bit and mess around, call it a day, go home, drink a beer, and maybe try it again tomorrow. I got some rain coming in tomorrow though, so I'm not gonna be doing too much tomorrow, but good thing is I'm on vacation and it's supposed to be pretty nice, so we'll move on down a little bit and we'll try it here. But do thank you guys for joining me. If I happen to hook up down the way here, we'll get the GoPro going. Thanks again, guys. Catch you later.
Well, that's going to about wrap up another week of North Carolina Saltwater Weekly. Be sure and tune back in with us where we can keep you informed on the best places to cast, catch, and fish right here in beautiful southeastern North Carolina.